Welcome home, your guide to tax savings. Buying your first home is exciting. You get the keys. You start to make it your own space. But owning a home brings new things to think about. One of these is taxes. Understanding homeownership taxes is important. It can save you money. Taxes sound complicated, maybe even a little scary. Lots of new homeowners feel this way, but it doesn't have to be hard. We can break it down into simple steps. Small steps can lead to big savings. This guide will help you learn these steps. Think of tax savings as a bonus. It is like finding extra money. This extra money can be useful. You could use it for new furniture or a future renovation project. My name is Scott McGillivray. Let's learn how you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Your monthly mortgage payment is a big part of home ownership. But did you know that part of this payment can help you at tax time? I am talking about the mortgage interest. The good news is the government often lets you deduct this interest. Each year, your mortgage lender will send you a special form, usually called Form 1098. It shows the total amount of mortgage interest you paid during the year. This amount is subtracted from your total income. This lowers your taxable income, so you owe less tax to the government. Imagine you paid $12,000 in mortgage interest last year. If you are eligible to deduct this full amount, your taxable income decreases by $12,000. This could mean saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars in taxes. It is very important to keep your Form 1098 in a safe place. The mortgage interest deduction is one of the biggest tax advantages for homeowners. Make sure you take advantage of it every single year you pay a mortgage. Another significant expense that comes with owning a home is property tax. You pay these taxes to your local city or county government. But, like mortgage interest, you might be able to deduct these taxes. Generally, you can deduct the actual amount of property tax you paid during the year. It is crucial to keep accurate records of all your property tax payments. Sometimes, the assessed value of your home for property tax can be incorrect. If they value your home too high, you end up paying too much property tax. The good news is you usually have the right to challenge this assessment. Compare its value to recent sales of similar homes in your neighborhood. If it seems too high, consider filing an appeal. My friends Mark and Jenny bought their first home. They felt their property taxes were surprisingly high for their area. Their appeal was successful. Their home's assessed value was lowered, saving them money every year. Section 4. Upgrade and save. Home improvements and energy credits. Home improvements can save you money on taxes. Energy-efficient upgrades like windows and insulation qualify for tax credits. Solar panels can also earn you substantial federal tax credits. Keep detailed receipts for all your home improvements. Section 5. Smart moves. Avoiding mistakes and winning at tax time. New homeowners, in their excitement, sometimes make a few common tax mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes I see is not keeping good, organized records. You absolutely need proof for all the deductions and credits you claim. This means keeping all your receipts. Save your bank statements. File away your mortgage interest forms, Form 1098. Keep copies of property tax bills. Store all these important documents in a safe and organized place. This will make tax preparation much easier. Another common error is simply not knowing what tax benefits are available. Many new homeowners miss out on significant savings. They might not be aware of the mortgage interest deduction, or they overlook the property tax deduction. Some don't know about potential energy credits for home improvements. It really pays to educate yourself. Read articles like this one. Check the IRS website for homeowner tax information. Or even better, consider talking to a qualified tax professional. Enjoy your new home and enjoy your well-deserved tax savings. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more tips.